Hello everyone. Today we learn birds, grade nursery. Look at here everyone. Which bird is this? Sparrow. Which bird is this? Sparrow. And which color of sparrow? Yes, brown. And what is the sound of sparrow? Now next. Which bird is this? Parrot. Which bird is this? Parrot. And which color of parrot? Yes, green. Which color of parrot? Green. And what is the sound of parrot? Now next. Which bird is this? Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. And which color of duck? Yellow. Which color of duck? Yellow. And what is the sound of duck? Now next, which bird is this? Peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. And what is the sound of peacock? Now next, which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. And which color of crow? Yes, black. Now, what is the sound of crow? Now next, which bird is this? Pigeon. Which bird is this? Pigeon. And which color of pigeon? Grey. Which color of pigeon? Grey. Now next. Which bird is this? Swan. Which bird is this? Swan. And which color of swan? White. Which color of swan? White. Thank you.